Electricity bills are hitting like a punch to the gut lately. Everyone is looking for a way out from under those soaring costs. You're scrolling through your phone and a video pops up. It shows a small device that looks like a nightlight. The narrator promises it will cut your utility bill by 90%. That number is staggering. It sounds like a revolution. It promises to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket where it belongs. This product is being pushed hard as a genius solution for the modern home. The pitch is incredibly simple. You just plug it into any outlet and walk away. The claims suggest it cleans up the electricity in your wires. It supposedly makes everything in your house more efficient. But when you pull back the curtain, the story changes fast. Electrical experts and consumer groups have been sounding the alarm on this for a while now. They have taken these gadgets into laboratories to see what they actually do. The results are consistently disappointing. Inside the casing, there is usually nothing but a basic circuit and a tiny light parts that cost pennies to buy in bulk. They do not have the power to change your meter readings. They're essentially paperweights that use a tiny bit of power themselves just to stay on. It is a brilliant marketing strategy, but a terrible technical one. This is not the first time we have seen this trick. These devices have been circulating under different names for years. They vanish for a while and then reappear with a new brand and a shiny new website. The tactics are always the same. They use high-pressure sales language. They show you graphs that do not really mean anything. They might even use deepfake videos. They use stolen photos of celebrities too. It makes it look like famous billionaires use the product. It is all designed to bypass your critical thinking. We want to believe there is a secret hack to save money. The reality is that physics does not work that way. If you want to lower your power bill, you have to look at your insulation. You have to check your windows for leaks. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. These are boring solutions. They are not as exciting as a miracle plug-in, but they are the only things that actually move the needle. A little plastic box cannot fight the laws of electricity. It cannot stop your dryer from using the energy it needs to heat up. Scammers rely on our frustration. It is their primary tool to sell us these illusions. A $50 gadget feels like a small price to pay for huge potential savings. That is how they get you. Always look for reviews from people who are not trying to sell you something. If you see a countdown clock on a website, that is a red flag. True innovation happens in the light of day with transparent data. Protect your wallet by being the most skeptical person in the room. The best way to save money is to avoid spending it on things that do not work. Do not let the hype train lead you off a cliff. Smart energy use starts with smart thinking. There are no shortcuts to a lower bill. You are smarter than the marketers want you to be.